Lawson is eating spaghetti for the first time. Is it good, buddy? Yeah. Is it yummy, yummy? Mmm. He also had avocado. That's the green stuff. This is also the first time I put it on his tray like this, so he is thinking it's like artwork. Is it good? Oh yeah. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, you don't do it. You don't do it. Oh yeah, thank you for that hand. Yeah? He's gonna be 10 months in a few days. On the 9th. Today is the 7th. Yeah. Yeah. He still only has his 2 teeth. He's crawling and starting to pull up. Actually seems like he's gonna be walking any day now. Isn't that right, buddy? Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye? You gonna wave? Bye-bye? No? Need a flirt. Say bye-bye. Can you say mama? Mama? You say dada? Oh, yeah. It's going all down in your shirt. Everything. Come on. Get that picture all up in there. Uh-huh. Oh, no. Don't touch my phone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Mama?